right, time to take a look at the VEVOR load height tool. That's nice. So it actually comes with a carrying bag. And this is a fairly tall piece of equipment just on its own, so anywhere you can put a broom, you can put this. And I do like that it's light. We can see we got easy to read numbers. We got centimeters on this side and we got inches on this side. So as we pull this up, you can see it actually comes out in sections, and it has this button right here to hold itself up, so I don't have to worry about it collapsing on me. We just pull that up, lock it in, and we know we are at the right height. That is a long... This is longer than my room. Yeah, okay, so I'm not going to be able to open this thing all the way up in here. That's insane. But that's good. So if we have a very tall load, we can still make that work. It looks like we got up to 15 feet. I can see that it counts this in the calculation. So if we pull this guy out and we go up to here, right there we know we're at 5 feet. So to get the height, we're going to loosen this guy up. We'll move this out. We can see we have teeth that engage, so when we lock this guy down, we know it is going to be at a perfect 90 degrees. So we don't have to worry about playing this arm affecting our height. So we'll just set this on the top of the load. We can run that from the front to the back. We can make sure that we are not going to be hitting any bridges as we're driving. But for me, what I'm mostly going to be using this for is for weird stuff like this. So I can see my soft box. It's just fun having little like measuring tools like this around. So I got it hooked over the top. We try to get it so that it's as straight as we can get it. You can see we are at 13 feet. A little over 8 inches. So yeah, that is an awesome tool. Takes a lot of the guesswork out, especially if you're going to be taking this thing over a load where you're not going to be able to see the top. You don't have to get a ladder. You don't have to like eyeball anything. You can actually physically touch that to the top of the load and see how tall that is without having to take your feet off the ground. So fantastic tool.